much for that, Anuj. Well, absolutely. It has been a historic day of sorts where you have seen the pound make a biggest one-day decline versus the euro and versus the US dollar as well. We have seen a 30-year low come in for that one. But the biggest story really has been the euro, which also has seen a decline versus the US dollar. Now, remember, a decline in euro means a gain in US dollar. That would have implications on Chinese yuan, and you will have implications on commodity because of that. So it is a contagion of asset classes of sorts, and that's the reason you have seen that impact coming in for currencies and commodity space. In currencies, especially the Indian rupee at one point declined to 68.22. But of course, we had that intervention from RBI, and that's the reason you have the closing in currency coming in on slightly higher sides there. The euro is still trading 3.5% on the lower side, and that has an impact on other commodities. So you have the crude oil prices 5% on the lower side. You also have most of those metals, whether it's ferrous or non-ferrous, trading nearly 3 to 4% on the lower side as well. The history also has been created in gold prices, which surged 22% in sterling terms, first time ever. You also saw nearly 8% of surge in gold in euro, in US dollar and rupee terms as well. The gold actually has gained 25% in this year till time by now. You know, the important thing to really watch out for is that when you talk about safe havens, you also talk about Japanese yen and Swiss franc. Now, much of appreciation in these currencies will put pressure on the central banks. So much of safe haven buying in bonds and these currencies will not be seen. So it really is about gold, where you can see further strength coming in. We already have seen a level of 1360 in the markets today. The market is talking about 1400, even 1450 on the higher side in the next 1 month itself.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. So that's clearly a safe haven right now.